Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a simulator on Roblox. So what is this simulator that I'm talking to? In Roblox, a simulator is a type of experience. Gameplay in this genre involves repeatedly clicking, tapping, or holding or reaching up to a specific object to obtain an in-game item, with the goal of reaching a maximum number that the player can hold. Grinding is another term for these movements. After that, the in game item can be changed into game currency, which can be used to purchase better upgrades that will allow you to store more items or earn in game currency more quickly. So, the question is how to create one. All you have to do is to exit this one first and then kindly look for Roblox Studio. So this is what it looks like. Now you have options here, but I'm going to choose Spaceblade. So to create your own game simulator, use the tabs at the top of the screen to switch between the themes. Now, the first thing you should do, or you should first view it, is an empty canvas. Begin dragging objects into it, then edit and select your Roblox template. You don't need to worry about it because template is already included, the fundamental mechanics and whatever you're looking for. So all you have to do is to personalize it. The background can be altered to be either day or night. Okay, so locate the explored column on Roblox Studio's right side, then select lighting. This should result in the addition of a new column labeled properties. Okay, time of day is located at the bottom when you scroll down, so you are free to select any time of the day, and it's 24-hour format. So as you can see here, I just have to search some objects right here. For example, we have your building, we have your car, we have your bridge. So all you have to do is to drag these objects here, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.